Hello everyone, in this video, I want to explain how you can learn programming, in other words, the roadmap for learning. First, you should learning algorithms. This step will make you think more logically. Next step is the field selection. Among the principal fields, web development, mobile development, and the last one is desktop. Now I want to explain these fields. The first is web development. From the name, we will say that it is related to websites. Briefly, it is making websites. The second is mobile, it is making mobile applications. The last one, it is related to desktop applications. My advice to choose your field is trying all fields. In the next videos, I will try to explain all the areas separately.